Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss on integration. We are going to do the introductory aspects to integration. Then we'll proceed with the next video. You will see how we solve more complex work. Integration, the idea of integration is best understood when you understand what we mean by differentiation. Integration is just the direct opposite of differentiation. What is the major difference? The major difference is this. In our differentiation, if you have a function like y equal to 2x3, let's say plus 4, and to differentiate, your dy dx will be 3 will multiply 2, 3 times 2x, subtract 1 from 3, plus our constant 4 is 0. So this will be 6x squared plus 0, 0 is insignificant. Now, why in differentiation, you'll be given a function to find the derivative. In integration, what you do is you have been given the derivative, the final solution, to go back to the function. So this reverse is what we call integration. In differentiation, what we do is we multiply and subtract. Multiply and subtract. But in integration, we add and divide. So those are the major differences. I think with that we can start something. Let's assume we have a function in our differentiation. If you have a function like y equal to x raised to the power of n, to differentiate it, that is our dy dx will be equal to n will multiply the coefficient, which is 1, then you subtract. But in integration now, if you have y equal to x power n, to integrate it, the symbol for integration is something like an elongated x. To integrate x power n with respect to x, what you do is you add 1 to the power. The power is n plus 1. Then you divide it by that n plus 1 plus c. C is the constant. That is the major work that we do in integration. It's not a difficult work. It's a very simple work. To help us go faster is this table. If you have x power n, which is fx means function, the derivative of the function with respect to x. If you have x power n, provided your x is not minus 1, to integrate it, it will be x into, you add 1 to the power, look at n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. If you integrate 1 over x, you have in x plus c. That means if I differentiate in x, I will have 1 over x. If you integrate e power x exponential x, you still have exponential x plus c. That means if I differentiate this, I have this. If you integrate sin x, you're going to have minus cos x plus c. That means if you differentiate minus cos x plus c, you have sin x continuously. So let's start something. I'm going to talk on direct integration, the one that we don't have much work to do. Evaluate the following integrals. Let's start by solving. Example 1 says we have to find the derivative, the integral of x power 5 with respect to x. So this is simple work, as I've said. It will be x, add 1 to the power, raised to the power of 5 plus 1, divided by the power now, 5 plus 1, plus c, the constant. And this will be equal to, if you add 5 and 1 is 6. So you have x raised to the power of 6, divided by 6, plus the constant. It's a simple work. Secondly, we have to find the integral of 1 divided by x power 3 dx. Dx means with respect to x. First and foremost, a good knowledge of indices will take you far in both differentiation and integration. 1 divided by x power 3 is same thing as x raised to the power of minus 3, inverse. So this will be written as same thing by integrating x raised to the power of minus 3 with respect to x. This knowledge is very important. So we add To differentiate now, we add 1 to the power, we divide by the entire power. So this will be x power minus 3 plus 1 x raised to the power of minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus the constant c. So this will be equal to minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So the x raised to the power of minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. That is our integral. I can clean this so that we can continue. To point C, that is example 3. C, we are asked to integrate 1 divided by the cube root of x with respect to x. So this is simple work. Cube root of every number is the power of 1 over 3. If I want to find the cube root of 8, the same thing as 8 raised to the power of 1 over 3. That's the first thing you should know. And then if the cube root is standing below, it's still inverse. That means what you are seeing here is same as the integral of x raised to the power of minus 1 over 3 with respect to x. That is same thing. So to proceed, it will be equal to, you add 1 to the power divided by the entire power. So it will be x raised to the power of minus 1 over 3 plus 1 divided by minus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus your constant c. So this is a fraction. It's a simple way. The denominator is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 1 plus that 3 is minus 2. So I have to have x minus 2 over 3 divided by here the same thing as minus 2 over 3 plus the constant c. The real integration has taken place here. The other work we are doing now is indices. The real integration is done here. So this, to simplify further, 3 will multiply the numerator. We are inverting the fraction. It will be 3x raised to the power of minus 2 over 3 divided by 2. This minus will come up. So that's how to simplify C. Let's go to D. In our next videos, we will do more complex work. D says we have to integrate 3 cos x plus 4x raised to the power of 5 dx. So this is a simple work too. First and foremost, note that the integral sign here is not standing for only 3 cos x. It's standing for both 3 cos x and 4x power 5. So if you so wish, differentiate it. Differentiate it means keep the integral for each of them. So this will be the integral of 3 cos x dx with respect to x plus the integral of 4x power 5 with respect to x. The integral is just affecting here and here. So this will be equal to, if you integrate cos x, you have sin x. That means here is 3 sin x plus, if you integrate this now, it will be 4x. If you add 1 to the 5, it is 6 divided by 6, which is the power plus c. So our answer can be presented as 3 sin x, 3 sin x, 4 can divide 2 and 6 can divide 2. 4 by 2 is 2, 6 by 2 is 3. X power 6. So this is our integral calculus. And then lastly, our E. E says we have to integrate. Sorry, let's just clean part of it. E says we should integrate 4x minus 3 exponential x with respect to x. Same thing. The integral sign is for both. So you can do something like integral of 4x with respect to x minus integral of 3 exponential x with respect to x. The integral is standing for both 4x and 3 exponential x. So our solution will be equal to, just know that the x there is carrying 1. That means it will be, if you integrate it will be 4x. You add the powers. Add 1 to the power divided by the entire power. If you integrate exponential x, it is still exponential x from the table I gave to you. That means you have 3 exponential x plus c. So answer will be, if you add 1 plus 1 is 2. 4x squared divided by 2 minus 3 exponential x plus c. Since 4 can divide 2, our final answer will be 2x squared minus 3 exponential x plus c. So that is our solution. Please feel free and make comments, constructive comments, and ask questions for clarifications. If you have any special question you don't understand, you are free to drop it or contact me on my WhatsApp number. We'll discuss them out. If you need a special tutorial outline, we can do that also. So subscribe, please remember to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.